Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about all the red lipsticks that I have. Actually, weeks before when I was cleaning my wardrobe, I asked you all on Instagram whether or not you would like to see all the reds that I have, and most of you said yes. So here I am. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow me. I post regular videos over there, swatch and makeup tutorials. So do follow me on Instagram. And without further ado, let's get started. I've stored all my reds after decluttering in this particular box. So I have 4 over here. So this video is going to be really short and sweet. I'm going to be just telling you the pros and cons of each. So I'll start with the one over here. This is a crayon. So I've got almost all the types: a crayon, a bullet, and a liquid lipstick. So this one is by Faces Ultime Pro. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, that's it. So this is a crayon, and it's the smoothest formula I have ever used. So I love crayons basically, and I feel all the companies do a very good job with their crayons. So this one is no different. It's buttery smooth. It will just glide. Okay, I've barely touched and you can see the swatch. Okay, I'll do a proper swatch and I'll show you. Okay, all the reds I have are borderline maroon. I don't know what, but I think I like the reds like that because I do not like very bright red. Like I've never tried also, and I do not want to. I do not really gravitate towards those because it does not suit my skin type. But I just want to mention one quick little thing, red is one color that suits all the skin type, be it the darkest or the lightest, it will suit anyone. So everyone should have a red in their vanity because it suits everyone, and it's the safest to go when you do not know what to wear. Okay, so you should wear red. So this one is borderline maroon. It's really smooth. Okay, it's really smooth, and okay, so you can see it budges a little, but once it settles down, it does not. So once it settles down on your lips, it won't move a lot until and unless you eat something oily. It does not settle in your cracks or lines in your lips. So yeah, it's a very good formula. I really love this. This is the Faces Ultime Pro. Next up, I have this one from Lakme Absolute. Okay, this is like amazing. This is like my favorite red amongst all the 4. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you. This is the bullet, and this is the swatch. Like I told you, all my reds are borderline maroon. So yeah, this is sort of, you can see, a little brighter than this Faces Canada one. Okay, the best thing about this formula is it's so creamy. Like it's really creamy, and when after 2 minutes it settles down matte, and you know what, after that you don't even feel that you're wearing anything. It's so smooth. It's really nice. I love this formula, and I suggest this particular range to everyone should try this. And you know what, Lakme now and then it has a sale on Nykaa, so I got this at half price, and I think it is for $8.99. So I got it for $4.99 or something, $4.50, which is extremely reasonable. Okay, for such a good lipstick. It's no less than any high-end lipstick. Okay, so you must invest in this one. It's really good. Next up, I have the Maybelline, this one. It's the Superstay Matting. Okay, you all know about the Superstay mattes from Maybelline. Okay, like you know what, every blogger in India has a problem with this range, and so do I. Now that's the swatch. Okay, this is a little blue toned red. Okay, you can see, again borderline maroon, and the shade name is Pioneer. I initially, when I got this from my friend, actually she didn't like it and she gave it to me because she didn't like it basically because she didn't like dark vampy colors or reds. So she gave it to me, like she knew I liked red. So I wore this. Initially I loved it. It promises 16 hours of longevity. I think it gives more than that. So my only complaint with this one is the formula. The formula, it sucks. Okay, so it's not good. Okay, so what happens is, first of all, it does not completely dry for some reason. It's always sticky. So what happens is, whenever you eat something, or the dust will stick to your lip, which is very irritating. And like somehow you can make that work also, you know, like many bloggers have suggested many things to make these kind of lipsticks work. You can check them out. But my problem with this is what happens, you know, when you purse your lips after some time, you know, like you see this lipstick is not going anywhere, but when I purse my lips with this one, like this one, it becomes all patchy. It goes from some places and it's so, the feeling is disgusting. I'm being honest, the feeling is really disgusting. So what I have to do with this one is, like, I don't wear it, but if I'm wearing, I wear it only for videos. I do not wear it if I have to go somewhere out, and I do not suggest, if you want to, you know, wear it to a function, I really do not suggest you buying this. The formula is actually different outside India because my sister got it from her friend who went to Europe and got it. It's very different. The batch which has delivered in India is bad. There is something about it. So yeah, I do not know. This is not good. It's not good. Like you cannot even reapply this one, okay, on top of what is already there, because it will become even more patchy. So yeah, I genuinely wanted to like this, but I did not. Okay, and the worst part about this is you cannot remove it with normal micellar water. Even with oil, you have to struggle a lot. It strips down your moisture, the lip moisture, a lot, which is, you know, very painful. So I do not suggest this one. Okay, next up I have this L'Oreal Infallible one, okay, the Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. So whatever I said for Maybelline, it's true for this one as well. Same thing goes for this one. Like the liquid red lipsticks are not at all good.
Ryan Little.
Slightly brighter red, warm tone. The thing is, first problem which I have with this product, the fragrance of this is so strong. I really cannot bear the fragrance, and it lingers. It does not go very fast, okay. Secondly, again, it's a very patchy formula. Once I applied it and I went outside, and then I couldn't even reapply, and it was all patchy. It had gone from here or here, and when you eat something, it gets so horrible because it goes from some parts, okay. Now what you do, you can either reapply or you have to remove, and you do not carry an oil cleanser everywhere, so there's no option of removing. So that day it was so bad for me because I had to always carry a tissue. One more bad thing about it, it bleeds. It goes from here and here. If you're sweaty, it will start, you know, it will start spreading from here and here, and it looked so bad. I mean, I did not like it so much. So again, this one I just wear it for videos. I really do not suggest this to anyone. What I really like is the Faces and the Lakme one. If you want really, you know, you want longevity, of course you will get with these, but then you have to, you know, put in some efforts, like carry a wipe and an oil and just, you know, rub it across. Like if you do that, you can spoil your makeup as well across your mouth, which is, you know, it's tedious task. So I really do not suggest these kind of lipsticks. These are my like, this is my small mini collection of all the reds that I have. I personally love red, you know. There's a saying that you can conquer the world when you wear red lipstick, and it's so true. It looks amazing, okay, amazing. So I suggest everyone should have one red in their vanity, no matter which color you are, because it looks beautiful in every color. So yeah, and except this, I really have one tint also from the Face Shop which I wear. It's again red, but yeah, it's a tint. So yeah, you can invest in that as well if you want like a normal everyday kind of red, like you want to wear every day but you do not want a lot of, you know, you do not want to feel or something, then you can of course invest in a tint as well. With this, I would like to end the video, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you have any sort of video request. Also follow me on Instagram. I keep putting polls over there and ask me. You can post your queries, you can ask me your questions, everything over there as well. I'm quite active on Instagram as well. So yeah, with this I would like to end my video. Thank you for watching my video. Love you all.